Welcome to FEMTC 2024. My name is Eric Benson. I'm the Director of Operations here at Thunderhead Engineering. We look forward to having a great 3-day event. Actually, it's 2.5 days, but for all the people online, I'd like to say welcome as well. Currently, we are in the Tudor Ballroom. The Hotel Kansas City was a men's club in the 1920s, so you can imagine dances in this room. For those of you online, this is the room without all of the people. There are a couple of orders of business for those of you in the room. The restrooms are right behind you to the left, and you can use the elevator or the stairs to get upstairs for the breaks, lunches, and the receptions each evening. For those of you in the room, go ahead and claim your online ticket. The agenda is there. You can look at the people who are presenting. You can interact with the attendees that are currently there. You can also watch the recordings after each session is done. This particular conference is set up with between 5 and 3 people per session. That allows for us to take breaks here. For those of you who are online, you can also take a break or get some work done. And for those of you who will watch this after the sessions are over, there's a little bit shorter time frame for you to have, be able to sit and listen to a few presenters. This is the in-person schedule. I just wanted to highlight a couple of things here. One of them I've already mentioned. There's a reception on Wednesday and Thursday evenings, 5 to 7, and that will be upstairs. All of the sessions themselves range from 1.5 hours to 1 hour long. And this schedule is very similar to the remote people. It's just that they don't have breakfast and lunch and the reception and the breaks up there. In addition to all of you, I'd like to call out a special thanks to the Thunderhead team. Most of our company is in the room. So if you are, I'm not going to call you out by name. I just ask that you stand up temporarily. And for those of you in the room, you can look at those who've stood up. This is our team. Our main office is about an hour. You can go ahead and have a seat. Our main office is about 2 hours away from here. And what a better opportunity for us to all learn about the modeling influences for our software. With that, I think we're all done. I don't know if Brian wants to say anything. Brian and I are both running the AV, so if you hear any feedback or anything like that, it's completely our faults. So I just want to let you know that we'll work out the kinks as we go.
Thank you, Eric. I'll just say a couple words. Thanks again for everybody showing up. I think we might have made it a little too easy for people to participate virtually because it's about half and half on our talks today. But I think we've striven to have everybody available online for questions, even if they're presenting remotely. Is that correct, Eric? Yeah. So, hopefully we'll have some good interaction. And so I encourage you to ask questions within the room. People on Zoom, put your questions in the chat. And we'll take just a moment and get reset for our first presenter, which I believe this morning is Kevin.